Welcome to our How to Get a State Job series. This video covers how to check your veteran record. To check if your veteran record has been added to your account, begin by signing into your CalCareers account. To do so, click on the login icon and enter your username and password. Once signed in, you will see your job applications page. Now, select the Additional Records side tab. On the Additional Records screen, you'll be able to view the status of your additional records. If your veteran record has been added to your CalCareers account, you'll see a hyperlink showing that it is on file. For information on your status, click the On File hyperlink. The veteran records details will now show. If you think any information is incorrect, visit the Veterans Information page. You can discover more helpful tips for the job application process by exploring our How to Get a State Job series. Whether you're watching this video individually or as part of the series, we're here to guide you through each step of the process. We also want you to know that we have additional resources to help. You can visit the Help Tutorials page located on the top of the CalCareers website to access tutorials, frequently asked questions, and a glossary of commonly used terms. If you need further assistance or have any questions that are not addressed in these resources, visit calcareers.ca.gov/help